Hello and welcome to the video which will review how to take the Clean Truck Check Credentialed Tester exam. Now, we are at cleantruckcheck.arb.ca.gov, and here on this page you will see the landing page if I have not already logged into my account. So if you are taking the exam for the very first time, you will need to create an account here. Choose the account type tester and be sure to use the email address you also use to log into your testing devices. If the testing device login and your CTC Viz login do not match, the test results will not be recorded and displayed in your tester account. So being that we already have a tester account, I'm going to log in to that account here. Once I do, you will see the landing page and we will click on the exam button. So from here, test result details, account alerts, my details, forms, where you submit the tests through forms, and the training and exam button is now here on the far right. We'll click on that button and you'll notice this page will pop up. On the left-hand side, there are 6 steps. First is the introduction. The next 4 steps are the tests themselves, broken up by category. And then the final step is to review and submit your exam for grading. Now, once you've submitted, the system will grade it for you immediately and let you know whether it's a pass or a fail. In order to pass, you must score a minimum of 80%. And other important facts are that your credentials are valid for 2 years from the date of passing the exam. Anytime you have expired or invalid credentials, it will result in the inability to submit test results, and the test results will be invalid. So if this is the first time you have taken the exam and you have created an account, you'll need to watch the training videos. Additionally, we also recommend that testers use these videos to refresh themselves, even if this is the second, third, or more time that you've taken this exam. So here in this link right here, this will take you to an external page where the videos are hosted. You can watch all the videos and take your notes as you wish. And then you will log back into cleantruckcheck.arb.ca.gov into your tester account to take the exam, as I just displayed earlier. So we will scroll down to the bottom here. In bold, you'll notice that there is something about the public testers list. Once you've created an account, there is an option to edit your tester preferences in the My Details section of your tester account. You can toggle a few different variables in there. One of them is being listed on the public tester list. So if you wish to be listed on that, you want to make sure that that checkbox is checked. So getting back to the exam, we will now click on the next button, which will take me to the exam itself. Right? These are the questions with the answers. It's a very simple format. You will just click on the appropriate answer, and from there, we'll scroll down and take a full exam. Now, a new feature is also that there is a button on the far right, and you can flag this question for review. When you do, it will turn blue, right? Or unflag it. So what this will do was it will allow you to review the question and your answer before you submit the test. So we're going to imagine I've taken the entire exam and I am now on step 6. So here on step 6, this will display any questions that I had flagged for review. This gives me one more opportunity to change my answer or review my answer. And once I'm done with all of the questions here in step 6, or this section, you will hit submit. The system will automatically grade your results and give you a pop-up of whether you pass or fail. Now we're going to assume that we have passed this so that I can show you next steps. So once we get a passing result of greater than 80% or greater, I'll go to main menu and I'm going to go to my details. And in my details, I can see all of my testing details for my business and the services that I offer here on the right. Once I've passed the exam, I will have a certificate down here. We'll have my tester ID number, the start date of the certificate, as well as the end date of the certificate. Anytime you take this exam, it will generate new credentials. The tester ID will remain the same, so you do not need to worry about your tester ID changing. That has been updated. But you will get new start and end dates every time you take and pass the exam. So just to keep everything in one video, I do want to show how to add or remove yourself from the for hire list in case that was missed before. So we will go to Actions, Tester Profile, and here, these are now clickable options. So if I did not list myself as for hire and I want to now, I can. I can list myself as having a mobile testing service, so I can go to my customers out in the field. I can mark myself as a motorhome tester, meaning I have space for these large vehicles. A lot of times testing facilities may not have space for such tall vehicles or such large vehicles. So that can be turned on or off. OBD and non-OBD testing can also be turned on and off. Just a reminder one more time that your device login must match your CTC Viz login for those test results to be applied. So once I'm satisfied with my services here, I will click Save, and that will be updated on the credential tester list, which will be housed inside of CTC Viz. So these changes should be immediate. If they are not within 24 hours, please email us at hdim@arb.ca.gov. This concludes today's video, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day.